Hey, listener. Welcome back for another deep dive. You know we'd love to go deep.
Absolutely.
And today,
Is no exception. Today, we are diving into the world of AI again,
okay,
specifically OpenAI's new model. This one's called O3.
O3.
And it's causing quite a stir.
I bet.
It's got a pretty surprising score on something called the Arc AGI benchmarks.
Interesting.
87.5%.
Wow.
According to this article we have here from MarkTech Post, that's a big deal, right?
Huge.
When we talk about AI reasoning capabilities.
Yeah, 87.5%. That's a big jump.
Yeah. So, what does this mean for the future of AI?
Well, that's the big question, isn't it?
It is. So, O3, this new model, what do we know about it?
Well, it seems like OpenAI is really focused on boosting AI's reasoning abilities.
Okay.
Trying to get us closer to that artificial general intelligence.
AGI.
AGI.
That's the big
goal.
The holy grail.
Right.
Yeah.
You mentioned these Arc AGI benchmarks.
Right.
What are those exactly?
So basically, they're a set of tests designed to see how well AI systems can reason and solve problems.
Okay.
Like humans do.
Gotcha.
So, thinking critically, problem solving, all that jazz.
So it's not just like, can you do math?
No.
It's can you think like a human?
Exactly. Can you understand? Can you learn? Can you adapt?
So this 87.5% that O3 got, that's a big deal then.
It's a huge deal, especially when you consider where we were just a few years ago.
Yeah.
I mean, the progress has been exponential.
So O3 can solve problems that previous AI models just couldn't.
Absolutely. Problems that we used to think were uniquely human.
Wow. Okay, I got to say, I'm pretty excited about this.
You should be.
But the article we're looking at here calls this a measured advancement.
Right.
Which seems kind of understated.
I know.
Don't you think?
A little bit.
I mean, consider what we're talking about here. The potential impact of this.
I mean, it's huge.
Huge.
But I think OpenAI is choosing their words carefully here.
Okay.
Well, for one thing, they're scientists. They like to be precise. And maybe they're seeing some limitations that we aren't, or areas where O3's reasoning isn't quite as generalized as it could be.
So you're saying AGI, human-level reasoning, might not be right around the corner after all?
It's hard to say for sure.
Okay, so there's the measure. What about the advancement? What's so special about O3's reasoning capabilities?
Well, from what I'm reading here, it seems like O3 is really good at abstract reasoning.
Abstract reasoning.
Yeah.
Okay, break that down for me.
So abstract reasoning is the ability to manipulate concepts and ideas.
Okay.
Even ones you haven't directly experienced.
Interesting.
Like analogies, hypothetical scenarios, that kind of thing.
So like if I say life is like a box of chocolates.
Exactly.
O3 can understand that.
Yeah, it can understand the relationship between those two things.
Wow.
Even though they're not literally the same.
That's impressive.
And previous models really struggled with that kind of stuff.
Mm.
But O3 seems to be handling it pretty well.
So we could see breakthroughs in fields that require this kind of abstract thinking.
Oh, absolutely.
Like scientific research, maybe
Right.
complex data analysis.
Yeah, anything that requires that. Higher level thinking.
Imagine O3 helping us model complex climate patterns,
Right.
leading to better solutions for climate change.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe deciphering genetic data to personalize medical treatments.
I mean, the possibilities are endless.
Yeah, it's pretty mind-blowing. But
Yeah.
let's circle back to this whole measured advancement thing for a second.
Okay.
Even if O3 isn't perfect,
It still feels significant.
it is significant.
Yeah.
And I think OpenAI knows that
Yeah.
their cautious language probably reflects
Yeah.
a sense of responsibility.
Responsibility. How so?
Well, they're the ones who created this incredibly powerful tool,
Right.
and they want to make sure it's used wisely.
Makes sense.
It's a reminder to all of us
Mm.
to proceed thoughtfully and carefully as AI keeps advancing.
It does feel like we're at a turning point with AI.
I mean, on one hand, we have these amazing advancements that could change the world in incredible ways.
Right.
But on the other hand, we need to make sure we're using this technology ethically.
That's the key.
Right.
It's not just about what we can do. It's about what we should do.
So OpenAI's O3, it's a huge step towards AGI.
Absolutely.
It brings up exciting possibilities,
Yeah.
but also some important questions about the future.
Yeah, questions we all need to be thinking about.
So listener, as AI research continues to advance, what skills and knowledge will be most valuable for us humans to navigate this evolving world?
That's a great question.
What will it take to thrive? In a world increasingly shaped by intelligent machines.
Something to ponder, isn't it?
It is. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
It's been a pleasure.
And until next time, keep exploring. Keep questioning and keep diving deep.